Alright, so we're gonna take a boat ride right now on Angelo's, and we're gonna see another city. So as part of the tour that I got for this day here, we did have to actually walk a little bit. It wasn't much of a distance really, but we pretty much left the bus on the top of the hill. Then you just basically walk down. We follow the guide, which would take us straight to the boat, and then basically we just started to head out. And this is another boat that's coming towards us with more tourists, so it's basically the same thing. I mean, there's multiple boats here out on the river, so you can have different types of tours. It doesn't really matter. Here we are on the boat. We're next to the captain. Now the music was really loud for me to keep talking here, but they do actually sell some alcohol and other beverages and some snacks on the boat if you actually want to get something on the way. Now this is one of the main reasons why people take this type of tour, is because you get to see one of Pablo Escobar's former homes. It was more like a vacation home. It is in ruins. It did get destroyed. They are not gonna rebuild it or reconstruct it, but it is interesting to see the famous drug lord's home that was obviously Colombian, and it was by the lake, and it was actually one of the most expensive areas to have a home at. And here's the front side of the actual boat.
This the Richter show.